Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change background color for your Instagram stories. Let's start! So first things first, make sure of course you're logged in successfully to your Instagram account. And if you want to post your stories guys, there's actually tons of fun ways to customize that, and one of which is changing the background color. So today I decided to create a story. So I'm just gonna do that by just tapping the plus sign in the upper portion of the page, and then it would lead you to this window wherein you can choose if you want to post real post. So this time I will choose story. So once I have that, I will choose this one for example. Okay. So I'm just gonna adjust a little bit, but just dragging, your two fingers. Now, if I want to change the background color, tap on the three dots, just the upper right portion of the page. Once you see that, so I'm just gonna select on draw. It may vary depending on what phone you are using. So in my case, I'm using iPhone, so it may be different if you're using different Android devices or tablet. So but it would still give you this, it would still lead you to this page wherein you could select like what color or what pen or how you're going to edit your background color. So in this case, I just choose I'm on pen icon. Okay, and then say for example I'm gonna choose like what color. So say I would want violet, or yeah, so if I want this one or purple, you tap and then you press on hold. It would actually create this one, and then that's how you change your background color. Now one trick here is, in case you uploaded the photo and you want it to be visible, just select on eraser, and then you can actually do this one. So just erase, erase, erase. So it would reveal what photo you've uploaded. So say for example, if you want to be, if you want it to be a little stylish, and then like I'm good with it, just press on done. And then when you hit on this one, they would actually share already your story wherein it has already a changed background color. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Please hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.